Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make your CapCut edit full screen on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First thing, I'm going to create a project in order to show you so I can show it works. So I'm going to go on photo, so I will choose photo, which means I'm going to create a video using photo, but you guys can choose a video as well, doesn't matter. And click on add at the bottom right. Once you do that, the editing panel will open up. And once the editing panel opens up, make sure you click on the black part, which means make sure none of these photos or videos are selected. Make sure nothing is selected. And when nothing is selected, at the bottom right corner, you can see this option called the ratio. If you don't see it, scroll to the side, and when you see the ratio option, click on it. And from ratio option, you can see this little TikTok logo saying 9:16. If you don't see TikTok logo, make sure you click on 9:16, alright? Click on this and click on tick mark at the bottom right. And just by doing that, you have created a video which is on TikTok's full screen resolution, which is 9:16. So if you upload this video on TikTok, this is going to be full screen on TikTok. So that's how you guys can make a CapCut edit full screen on TikTok. Now you can edit this video however way you want. The resolution is not going to change. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel 1 to step for future CapCut related videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.